Hey friends, if you wish to install and use the Better Discord app in your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. The process. So this app is not available on the Microsoft Store. You will have to search for it in the browser search bar and then go to its website. Wait for it to load. Click on the download option and then click on open. Okay, let it will need a while to download and install because it's a heavy app, but this is how you can install Better Discord on your system. And it also has a community because it doesn't have a specific dedicated support, but it has a community on Discord itself that you can use. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.